How are we, YouTube? George here, and it's been a while, so I said I'd just make a little video to let people know I'm still around. Not much has happened here in the last handful of weeks, or since whenever the last video was, and other than that, not much to say. Not much done here. There'll be a video about this thing at some point. Let's see. There's some rear suspension going on now, so we have a shock instead of a bar. We have to make some custom dog bones, because these ones I had to, just to hold the back of it up, I had to cut them. Just slice that piece out and just weld in a little piece of material there. But I'm going to make completely new ones, and what we're going to do is on the bottom here, we'll have a rose joint for adjustability. And you know, I'm a firm believer in the saying of, if you can't make it perfect, make it adjustable. So we have a couple of spacers to get made here once we get the dog bones done, and that'll be the rear end taken care of. So yeah, quite pleased with that now. And coming along, very slow, but it is what it is. So that'll be with this got for this, and we have a set of carbs got, and a few other bits and pieces. Just have to go and collect them. They're a couple hours down the country, so a few hours round trip. And yeah, the table is quite handy. It's about 20 inches or so off the ground, and I have to put some on top of it. Going to put some laminate flooring on it, and I'll give the rest of it a bit of a sand and paint it just so as it'll look okay. But other than that, nothing else has happened here in, I don't know, can't remember when the last video was. And yeah, it's just been kind of quiet, so that's how it goes sometimes. So not too far away from Christmas now, and weather is absolutely rotten here today. It's raining, so still no floor, as you can see. Stop that. Yeah, camera doesn't like the lights when you do that. It's those two there, I think, that's causing that problem. What do we see? So you can turn them off from here. No, just doesn't seem to like the lights in general. But you see the difference those ones make. You know, it's quite noticeable. So yeah, bench is quite strong. It's all made out of offcuts of the stuff I'd left over from the roof. So yeah, it'd be lovely to have the one that goes up and down, but this is going to be up here for a long time. Just need to make a ramp as well. So if I do need to take it down, I can. It's just sitting on the axle stands there now. Actually, it's quite secure, but we probably will make some way of strapping the bike down. You know, as more parts go on it and it gets heavier, it'd probably be a good idea to have it strapped down. So top yoke has gone away to get some work done on it. The hole for here is in the wrong spot, so I need to sort that out. And Damien has got that now at the moment. The guy that's going to do the subframe, this guy gave me the frame and the whole lot. So he's going to weld up the holes in it, and then I'm going to bring it to the machine shop and get them to run the fly cutter across it, and we'll put the hole in the right spot. And we need to make up a couple of spacers and a cap for here and a few other bits and pieces, and I have the risers and the bars there, so we can start working on stuff like that. You know, you just have to work with what you have until you can kind of get along to other stuff. So I want to get the subframe on it, so we can get the tailpiece on, which will be something like that. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. It'll be around there, I guess. And solo seat, of course, so we'll have to make a seat pad, well, aluminium plate, and then when we get the tailpiece on, we'll cover it all up, and we'll make a fiberglass seat base and start putting some foam on it then, and get it covered. Yeah, so it's getting there. Yeah, not warm out here today. Not warm at all. But other than that, not much else has happened. So that's pretty much the size of it. And we'll get you in the next one. So take care. And have a good one.